Hello everyone, today we'll be going over a Nintendo Switch that is having an issue with the game slot not reading game cartridges consistently. We're going to shut down our console, flip it over, and start removing the screws from the back, the sides, and the bottom. Once all the screws are removed, the back should just lift off. There should be a few screws on the back to remove the metal shield as well as the SD card reader. Once the back is exposed, the first thing we want to do is disconnect the battery to make sure not to short out any components, and then we'll continue on removing the screws around the game card slot reader. Remove the ribbon cable from the game card slot and remove the heatsink from the console to allow the game card slot to be removed from the back of the console. We're installing our new game slot reader, installing the ribbon cable, applying some thermal compound so that we can test to make sure that the new part is working correctly. We will turn our console on, insert our game, and we see it immediately detects it. Awesome. We'll go back in the console, add the correct amount of thermal compound, install our rear shield, and install the rear screws. Add the SD card reader back into the console, put the rear cover back on, install the rear screws, and test to make sure everything is still working correctly, and it looks like it is. We really hope that you enjoyed watching our video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram by following the links below. Thanks for watching.